My name is Małgorzata Kądziela.
And my name is Pisarek. We are team members of Theory and History of Culture team, led by Professor Gomóła.
The team of the Theory and History of Culture carries out both national and international projects. And we carry out a project rooted in conviction that the culture is shared value.
We conduct ethnographic field research on cultural landscapes of wetlands of Eastern Poland. We try to answer question how complex intertwinings between scientific and also common and also traditional knowledge shapes history of wetland protected areas and also its precarious, very complex and very uncertain future in the Anthropocene.
Yet another project investigates yogic practices in Polish culture. Yoga in Poland has settled for good, as evidenced by the variety of thought practice methods, the number of schools, yoga centers, and especially popularity in fitness clubs. But it has to be stressed that systematic scientific research on yoga by our native scientific community has just begun. And our event, entitled Yoga in Cultural Context, is one of the first, if not the first, scientific nationwide conference devoted to this topic.
One of our most important projects in recent years has been devoted to the problem of academization of a city in Upper Silesian industrial region. We studied the process connected, associated with grassroots student movement aimed at opening and educating local community, local workers community in Chorzów city. We worked with founders and members of student club Kocynder and we created a common history of the club, of its vital and flourishing past and also of the history of transformation and its closure in 21st century.
Yet another issue we explore is the issue of the senses, sensory perception and their role in cultures. The exploration includes research on particular senses and also reflection on senses in architecture and urban landscaping. And for that, we network the circles of practitioners and theoreticians during the international and interdisciplinary conference entitled Senses in Architecture, Urban Landscaping and Design, and also by publishing a newly established journal entitled Loci Comunes.
We also investigate the Silesian Theosophical movement. We try to learn about their activities and program developed in interwar period in Cieszyn on the Czech side of the border. And we think that we can reconstruct its vital heritage connected with program of higher spiritual culture.
All of these projects, Adam, I think you agree with me, are simply fascinating.